Yes, I think it's very clear that there is a book in here. And I don't know what it's going to look like. It's just like everything else. You never know what things are going to look like.
Yes.
Here's our first edition.
Oh my goodness. Here, let me hold this up.
Of the Survival Medicine Handbook. Here's
Yep.
the second edition. Let's show them how thickness.
Yep, it grew.
And this one is the third edition. So each one of these seems to have become larger and larger.
Third.
So I believe that maybe...
They look like they're growing up.
Yep.
They're growing up. So.
It might be genetic. But now we know that there's something in here, and we're going to perform a bookectomy. So
okay.
Quickly, let's put some gloves on. Let's get this baby
This
out.
isn't going to be official how I would normally do it. There you go.
Okay.
Fingers in?
No, but that's all right.
Here, let's fix it. There you go.
And this one here.
Never grab the end of the glove that you're putting on. These are non-sterile, though.
This one here.
There we go. Okay.
And now... we have not seen what was in here, so it may be anything. It could be a large iguana.
Okay.
No, wait, we think it's a book.
Are you going to do this?
I'm going to do this. Ready?
Hold it. Hold it up like this. Hold it up like that.
Okay.
All right.
And now, let's see, as we deliver the baby. Oh, it's in. Wow, what a baby it is.
Oh my gosh, turn it around.
Here is our baby.
I don't know if it's a baby or a grown. Look at this.
It's a monster. It's a fourth edition of the Survival Medicine Handbook. It's something that we have worked for more than a year on. Lots of additional chapters, lots of additional information, more than triple the illustrations and how-to step-by-step instructions. Consider it for your survival library.
Oh my goodness gracious.
And there it is.
Look at all of these pictures and how-tos. Let's go to the trauma section. The static jet. Oh yeah. How to make chitosan covered gauze at home. Okay, what I want to do is just sort of thumb through the new book so you can get an idea of what all is in here, the new images, and we're just going to do this real quickly. Real quickly. Oh my gosh, all the amazing. This is the black and white version. But lots of how-tos, anatomy, how to wrap things, how to stop bleeding, different skin rashes, ticks, snake bites, anaphylaxis, rashes, bleeding techniques, pelvic splints, how to put on a cat tourniquet. We've got improvisation, how to make chitosan covered gauze, how to wrap an Israeli bandage, chest trauma, decompression needles, where to put it. Here's a handy device called Thoracite by Sam Medical. How to make a chest tube and chest seals, stab wounds, gunshot wound treatment, shock, wound care, suturing, stapling. We have all the pictures of how to do everything. Patient transport, just so many pictures. How to deliver babies, stages of labor. These are chronic problems, germs, nursing care. This is new in the book. I added this myself. Anxiety, depression. Here's some pictures of herbs for sleep and relaxation. Medication. Here's some pain relief herbs. Antibiotics. A glossary, an index. Folks, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, the box didn't make it through surgery. Sorry.
So we do a lot of improvisations, a lot of interesting stuff I'm sure you'll love the book, and I hope that you'll consider it. Thanks so much.
Bye.